Alright, so what's good, my people? My name is Wole Agbo. Of course, we are here live for Prophetess, that movie. You can see the angels are around. Come on, see the angels. Angels. Of course, this is spiritual, highly spiritual. And the prophet himself is here. Guys, sorry, so you're most welcome. Please tell us your name.
My name is Bangoya Noduwako.
Alright, so you are here for
Prophetess.
Prophetess.
The movie.
And please, what are your expectations?
Well, I know from this production I'm expecting something really huge.
Surya.
You know, something hilarious.
Surya.
You know, something super.
Surya.
You know, something higher than the regular.
Surya. Something higher than the regular.
Yes.
Something spiritual. Something spiritual.
No, what is spiritual ginger?
Spiritual ginger.
You get it, sir.
Guess what? The authentic himself, the amazing, the gifted, the anointed, all the way. I can see Angel Miwa Demola right now. Angel, can you come in? Oh. Emi walede adido. Emi walede. Idida. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to see this movie. So you are welcome. Okay, so when I saw the poster, I saw the graphics, I saw I saw that you are there, sir.
Authentically unique.
Authentically unique.
Authentically spectacular.
Authentically spectacular.
Authentically Wole Agbo.
So I know what does it feel like being part of this production, sir?
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, the first thing that actually give me this joy is this film is being premiered for the first time in Ibadan.
In Ibadan.
It shows how much the producer, the director, you know, appreciate the ancient city of Ibadan, the people of Ibadan, and the entire thing that happened during the filming of the Prophetess. It's such a great movie.
So you are a living legend. Of course, you're featured in so many movies. Can you say something that makes the Prophetess spectacular and special among all other movies that we have featured?
Everything about Prophetess is unique. I'm telling you, right from the script, the filming, is directing. You see, Nia Kimola, when you hear the word "don't shout," he's the one. No, he doesn't. He doesn't make noise. He doesn't speak too much. He knows whatever he want to achieve, and he achieves it straight away.
Sir, okay, yes, sir, I can hear
And I'm telling you, like someone like me, like my 31-year-old career,
Wow.
I played a role I have never played in any film. So, and I can say that about other actors too. You know, people took up roles they've never ever played.
Wow.
Prophetess is something else.
Wow.
See, if you want to watch Prophetess, make sure you come with just one handkerchief.
Just one handkerchief.
You will not cry, but you will laugh and you will shed tears. Seriously.
Oh God. Ladies and gentlemen, you will laugh and you will shed tears. Amazing one. So, what will you tell people? What should be their expectation? Okay, you just said it now. They will laugh and shed tears.
Yes.
What more do you want to tell them?
Hello, my Ibadan people. Kí ni ṣe? Ẹ jẹ́ wá wo Prophetess. Mọ̀ ń tẹ̀ ń sọ. Prophetess là ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹni tí ò bá wò ó kò rí nǹkan kan. Ẹni tí ò bá ti rí kò rí nǹkan kan. Ó sọ nǹkan nù. Prophet.